guys, good day. Now finally we have S-Class 2023-24 body kit, B-style, already painted. It's already painted black, so no need to paint, installation only. It's gloss black, all the small grills inserted. This is front vents inside the bumper with LEDs, also painted black. This is a supporting frame to mount the items, diffuser. These are the LEDs here with blow control unit. Okay. Also supporting grills behind the vents. Exhaust tips included. Front lip, closer view. That's extensions for the rear diffuser here. Also, it's required. Thank you for watching. carmarker.com